What the heck is that? A bird? What's that? Oh, Jesus! Yo, that's not. Yo, that's weak. You sure? What's up guys, it's the boys Jesse, welcome back to another insane adventure guys. In today's video we're going to explore on a very huge abandoned factory guys. Literally abandoned and almost full destroyed, like you can see on the freaking roofs. The roof is gone. But now guys, we're going to explore it. Right now it's still sunny weather. What makes this place much beautifuler than maybe at night? We're going to find a lot of graffiti on the walls guys. So yeah, I hope you're ready guys. If you're ready, smash that like and let's get into this adventure very quick right now. Now literally going to do this building first, and after that, what? Private? TV. Ah, television. Okay. And we're going to do this building at last, guys. But first, the biggest one right now, with a lot of graffiti on the walls, man. Let's do this. Yo, there's actually a sort of basement here, I guess. Oh my gosh, this looks insane. Yo. The basement is very big, man, you know that? Huh? The basement is big, you. What the heck was I saying? You? Oh, you're right, the television. What the hell? Guys are now entering the freaky sort of empty factory. It's literally empty, man, I swear, literally. At least it's an abandoned factory, so yeah. That's amazing. Hello! A lot of echo. Yo, this place is full destroyed. I really don't know what the heck happened here, man. But it's nuts. Literally everything is gone. Literally, man. Alright, let's go there right now. Yo, I'm just hearing a siren or something, or maybe a alarm from a car. I hope it's just a alarm from the car, man. I swear, Jesus. If the cops will now call me, I'll literally in jail for about some days, maybe 1 day or 2. But yo, I don't want to get in jail right now, man. Yo, look at this, man. Look, that's nuts. Jesus. Yo. Yo, this is nice. Whoa. Oh, where'd it go, man? Look at this, fabs. Another very huge empty space. Whoa, where the heck are we now, man? Just like a stadium or something. Maybe we're going to see or discover some more abandoned buildings here, man, at this compound. That'll be insane. Alright. Look at this. Oh, here it is, man. It's pretty big and huge, man, as hell. I heard something. Yo, up from stairs to the basement, I guess. But the basement is underwater, I guess, man. Oh man, you. No, oh man, that's pretty deep. Alright. Okay, there's a very dark room here, man. It's scary. I hate that. And I'm literally here on my own. Oh, this is collapsed. And a lot of holes in the ground. Hello? Oh, yo. Look at this, man. Ah, the floor is nasty. Oh, gee, look at this. Yo, this is collapsed. Just look at the roof. Yo. That's nuts. It was very easy to get inside, guys, but like you can see, almost the whole compound, I mean the whole building is literally collapsed. Look at the freaking walls. Look at the walls, guys. Look at the walls. I really don't have a clue what's happened here, man. Oh, Jesus Christ. Shall we do it?
Yeah.
I hope it will not collapse now. Then we have some serious problem, man. You know that? Ah. Moss on the ground. Mud. Yo, look at that area. Alright, fellas. I hate the mud. Not mud, but... Ah, never mind. Yo. Literally everything is destroyed here, man. Literally. Check this out. Jesus. But at least, guys, it's a nice weather. I already have a sun visor now, man. You going back to that area?
No.
Here is nothing. It's all collapsed. Maybe this place is very popular for junkies, or I don't know. Probably for junks. But it's way too huge, man. I swear. Oh. Yo. Did you hear that? Fam, so just like a dog or something. What the hell? Hello? There's actually a pussy here. A kitty, kitty. Meow. Look, this, guys. I bet there's a sort of elevator. A pretty old one, but now it's rusty like crazy. What? Oh, you want to take a picture? Okay. Just tell me that, man. Jesus. Oh. Yo, it's slippy here. What? Alright, alright, alright. Easy, boy. Easy, man. Yo. There's some stairs down to downstairs. Maybe the basement. Probably. Oh, there's water. Ew. Someone left his Coke bottle here. An iced tea. What the heck is that? Guys, literally, check this out. It's from the same compound. Look at this, fams. And it is on the wall too. And a sort of zombie. But this is, you can see a better view of the elevator right now. Ah, oh, yo. Yo, I'm going to here, man, okay? Is it safe? Not safe, okay. But I legit want to explore those towers, man. But this compound is pretty huge. Jesus, okay, let's back downstairs, man, okay. Alright guys, we're now on our way to the towers right now, but like you can see, this compound is way too huge, man. But it's nuts, especially with all the gravity on the walls. It makes that that place beautiful. Alright, let's do this, man. There we are, baby, the freaking towers. Maybe we can climb to the... Yo, that would be very insane to get on one of the tower, man.
Look, my man.
What, people? I don't care, man. Whoa, oh, that's nice. Yo. Guys, let me know in the comments below if you want me to come back at night to this place. Maybe we can capture some paranormal activity or, you know, some haunted... What the heck is that? A bird? What's that? Oh, Jesus! Yo, a fly is what? A freaking fly wants to attack me, man. Ugh. I don't know if you can see the guy, but in front of me there's actually a public street. So yeah, let's do the towers. I hope we can get on the tower, but I don't know how. Let's find out.
That is the car.
Yeah, but it's collapsed. You gonna do it? Should we try? Or what? Will it be safe? Look at them, guys. Savage style, man. You sure it's safe? You can try first. Look at them. Look at him. He's happy, man. Yo, that's not. Yo, that's weak. You sure? Oh, it's moving, man. I saw it moving, yeah. Not that much. Maybe it's safe for you. Right, now on another one, quick. Good. Good. Let me know if you can go to the tower, okay? I'm going to do my cinematic scene for the towers, okay? Oh. This is a tower. Fams, I know you then can't see it mainly, but look at this. This is the freaking tower, man! Hi! So Rodney told me just that there is nothing when he took the stairs. Nothing, literally nothing. But it will be very dope to get on the freaking top of the tower, man, I swear. But yeah, shit happens, man. Where do you go now? Okay. We want to take that way. And then I guess we had discovered everything. What do you think? Which one? Oh yeah. Oh, okay, no. We need to do one building left. I mean, there's one building left that we didn't explore yet. But like I said, guys, I'm intro. We're going to do that as last. Alright fam, so all the other people came here right now. We just saw some other people here exploring like us. I'm not for sure, but I didn't saw a camera, so yeah, but maybe we can explore it with a camera. Not everyone is a YouTuber like me, so yeah. And they actually on the roof. Savage down, man. Come on, man. Where's that building? Right, so is that the building? Alright. Yo, the sun is annoying, man, you know that? Alright, fams. I'll film back when we found a good way to the building, guys. Peace. Alright, fams, we just found the way in to the building that I was mentioned in my intro. So yeah. But you can actually take a stair somewhere to go to the second floor. So yeah, but look at the freaky. That is so nasty and dangerous. This whole place is dangerous, man. It's all filled, destroyed, almost. Jesus Christ. And actually that freaky boy behind me is savage as hell, man. with his funny face. Oh, I found the stairs, man. Look, stairs to go upstairs, boy. Let's do this. I hope it not collapse. Ah! Cute. With a freaking deep voice. It's all the same here, nothing here. Yep. Let's go for another one, man. I bet this is the dangerous one. Yo. Fams, look at this. Look at this. We did it! Great. So the dangerous or not? Fams. I have a bad feeling about this place, man. But there was actually someone on the roof, I swear, legit, no clickbait. But there's actually a car. But yo, what is that dude? Maybe he fell through a hole or something, we never know. Alright fams, I'm going to my dog, Rodrigo. And yeah, let's find out what he's going to see there. He's actually in front of me, so yeah. Let's do this. And guys, if you want to support my channel, feel free to donate something very small. Every little bit helps me a lot. And if you want to be part of the notification squad, put notifications on, man. Or join a crew, the Jeff Said As Well crew, by buying my merch. That will be very insane. If you're going to buy your merch, make sure to take a picture of it, guys, with you in a mirror or I don't know, and send it to me. I really appreciate it, guys. That will be very amazing. I will definitely give you a very huge shootout, and I will, yeah, you will be part of the Jeff Said As Well crew, man. That's nice, right? Or not? Let me know in the comments below, guys, if what you think about the place I do. I always love to read the comments, so definitely spam the comments of the video right now. Really appreciate it, guys. Woo! Alright, actually I'm going to end my video here right now because my battery just is busy with dying right now. It's my first battery, but I have one left. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, guys, smash that like button like I never did before. Like I said, guys, if you saw or see anything, let me know in the comments below which time. And yeah, the next one, people there, my girl. Okay, please, like I said, guys, if you saw or heard anything in the background, let me know which time. Take a screenshot if you can. Really appreciate you guys. Send them my Twitter, all my social in the description below. So definitely spam my social media, especially spam the comments of this video right now. Put notifications on so you will stay in the notification squad today. And you will see my upcoming videos as first. So you can smash that like button as first. And yeah, buy my merch if you want to be savage style or if you want to be a very nice person. Yeah, okay guys, this was my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. So yeah, I will see you back in another one. Peace.